How to turn off PIN login on Windows 11. Some users may want to log in directly to the Windows OS without entering any password. This video will provide 6 options on how to remove PIN on Windows 11. Way 1. Use the Remove option. Click on Settings in the Start menu bar to open it. Click on Account in the left window. And click on the Sign In options in the right window. Under PIN, Windows Hello, click the Remove button. Click Remove again to confirm the removal of your PIN. Enter your account password and click OK. The PIN option will not appear the next time you log in. Way 2. Use I Forgot My PIN option. Open Settings. Click on Accounts in the left pane. Click on Sign In options in the right pane. Select PIN, Windows Hello, and click I Forgot My PIN. Enter your account password and click OK. Click on Cancel. Now you can see that the PIN is turned off. Way 3. Use Local Group Policy Editor. Press Win+R at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type pedit.msc and click OK. Navigate to on-screen path. Double-click to open Turn on Convenience PIN Sign-In. Select Disabled option. Click Apply and OK to save the changes. After that, PIN sign-in will no longer be available. Way 4. Use Computer Management. Press Windows +X at the same time. Select Computer Management. Locate to Users option. Right-click on your username and select Set Password. Click on Proceed. Leave the New Password and Confirm Password options blank. Click OK to complete the changes. Then this PIN will be turned off on your Windows 11. Way 5. Use Registry Editor. Use Win+R to open the Run dialog box. Type regedit and click OK. Locate the on-screen path. Double-click on the value key in the right pane. Change the value data to 0. This setting will turn off all your sign-in options, including PIN login. Way 6. How to remove PIN from Windows 11 if forgot. iSunshare Windows Password Genius is the perfect tool to remove PIN from Windows 11 if you forgot it. Go to the iSunshare official website on an accessible computer. Download and install iSunshare Windows Password Genius on the PC. Launch the software. Select the USB device option. Plug a USB flash drive into this computer. After that, click Begin Burning button. This operation will erase the USB drive. Click Yes to continue. The password reset disk is created successfully. Disconnect the USB flash drive from the computer. Now, insert it into your locked Windows 11 computer. Start the computer. Then enter the boot menu to set the USB as a boot device. The computer will boot from the USB driver. The Windows 11 system is selected by default. Choose the user account that you forgot the password. Then click Reset Password button. Click Yes to remove the forgotten password. Finally, click Reboot button and then disconnect the USB flash drive. In no time, Windows 11 computer runs with no need to enter the login password as it is removed. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like the tutorials on our channel, please subscribe to us.